that. You don't go diving in like that. Flag has stayed down here. Chivaviro could be in here. Chivaviro still here. Chivaviro scores! Ranga Chivaviro opens the scoring for Kaizer Chiefs with his second goal in successive matches, his second of the season.
The worst thing for a defender is to defend facing your own goals. And what Ranga Chivaviro has achieved is that on 2 occasions so far.
That's an excellent ball out there now. Matthews, the cutback! Oh, what a chance! Ikram Reyners, 2 out of 2 so far. Rather one-sided. Now the ball over the top again. Needed to get something on that one. Chance here now! It's opened up! And they've got the equalizer! 3-3 for Ribeiro Costa! Scores again against Kaizer Chiefs! As he did last season, Ribeiro Costa! 1-on! Opened up, they were the Kaizer Chiefs!
He's got that ability to start the attack, and in that instance, trying to find Serena.
Cut back, here's a chance for Reyners! Oh! They have turned it around! Chiefs are also preparing a change of their own, and it looks like it's Mfundo Vilarazi that might be the first to come up. But first, this free kick floated in. Oh, what a header! What a save from Africa's best, Ronwen Williams. Wonderful football around. He's slowly but surely regaining his confidence, which I thought had taken a bit of a knock. There's a flag, a stayed down. Dupree is in here. 1-on-1. Dupree can't finish it. Oh, the block again on the line. Oh, how did that stay out? Well, that's exactly what Dupree has been brought on to do. William Modi. Full of Lagas. Obrigado, they call him. Hangs one back to the back post. No one arriving there. A leg. Oh, Ronwen Williams. Ronwen Williams, you miser. At full stretch. How do you keep that out? See this one home.
They will go into a back 3 with the full backs helping out defensively. It means that Mamelodi Sundowns now have got 5 in defense, excluding Rivaldo Gutierrez, who sits in front of that midfield.
We're going to need something special to beat that man from that range. Some unruly elements and frustration getting the better of them. Ntwari floats it up. The referee continues. Blows the whistle. It is done. It is over. Sundowns have done it again.